Right, Dewalt miter saw, a DW707. What's wrong with this one? She starts, guard work, there we go there. Totally bust the housing. Oh, that's no good. Right, see what we can do here. Get this oddball nut off first. Alright. So this is part of this. Shouldn't be in here. So this is spring loaded in. So this is what actually gives you your spring. Bring it up and down. This wee piston inside. And she is tight. Very difficult to move. You'll not get the new one put in there too easily. The other problem, this part is obsolete. No longer made or available. So instead, I'm going to replace this and this, hopefully a second hand part. That's if I have one. Right, one complete arm, but separating these things isn't easy, so we'll come at this from a different way. Right, no good installing at this end. I have to take the rails out, put the head back onto it instead. Opening this thing isn't exactly easy. Well, opening it's easy, putting it back together is the problem. Big spring in here, holding this big brass piece for the tension. Putting that back together if you open it up, it's a bit of a torture. Easier to do it this way. Steel pin just here, so it has to be prized apart. Get rid of these completely. I can just slide this back onto the old saw. Insert. Stick everything back together again. On Dewalt DW707 up and running again, as she should. Nice one.